Okay, so today I'm gonna be sharing with you guys my everyday makeup look. The older I get, the less time I have and the less patience I have to do my makeup in the mornings. So when I need to look put together, this is how I do it real quick. First thing that I go in with is my NARS Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer Broad Spectrum SPF 30 Sunscreen. I'm going in with my fingers because, like I said, we don't got time. So, and I also just broke my mirror, 7 years of bad luck. Sorry, I am such a hot mess right now. I don't know how to do this. I think I'm gonna use my broken mirror. Hold on. So I'm just gonna go in with the tinted moisturizer with my fingers, and I just like spread that on my skin all over. And literally, I use it like a moisturizer.
So I don't even need like a sponge or nothing, I just put it all over my skin.
I really like this because it has SPF 30 in it, and I am an SPF maniac because I want to protect my skin and I don't want to age so fast. So that's my base. Next, I am going to go in with eyeshadow. Today, I'm going to be using the Brown Sugar. This is like my go-to eyeshadow palette. You can probably tell because it's dirty as heck. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this crease color right here called Jamocha, and I'm just gonna go into my crease and just deepen that up a little bit. This is a very simple look, so you're gonna wanna go in with like a very light hand. I don't even know how this looks right now, but hopefully you guys can see. You don't need details for this look. You just kind of, it's like a quick and easy look. So go in with a light hand and just brush that in your crease in a windshield wiper motion. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side.
Real quick. It's taking longer, but it's taking longer. Okay.
You see how that just like deepened up my eyes really quickly and really easily? It's super pigmented and super smooth in terms of application. So that's that. And then I literally just take my finger, and you see this color Chai? Yeah, it's my favorite color. And don't think it's because I'm Indian and I love chai, but also because it's really just a perfect shade for your lid. So I'm just rubbing into that with my finger, and I'm gonna apply that right on top of my lid, just like that. It just kind of gives your eyelid a smooth finish and a very like matte look.
So, voila, other side. And don't worry if it gets a little messy. We're gonna go back in with our crease brush and like clean it all up. So that is my eyelid. Okay.
So I'm going in with the same crease brush that I used earlier, and I'm just gonna clean it up. Just like that. And if you want to deepen up your corners, you can just swirl it around at the end to give it a little like smoky effect. Just like that. So you're taking the same color and you're just kind of rubbing it into the corner in circular motion. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my concealer, and the concealer I use every day is this Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer, and this is in the shade Light Beige. So I'm just going in with like a little bit just right in the inner corner of my eyes right there. You can use your fingers, or you can use like a wet beauty blender. And I like to use the beauty blender just because it's an easy, quick way to spread it out. And so I'm just going to dab it, just blend it in, press the product in and under your eyes, and don't be afraid to like spread it out.
So, you just want to brighten up your under eyes so you look a little bit more awake.
Guys, I literally use this makeup look like every day for work because I struggle in the morning, like struggle. I don't know, I'm just not like I like being a morning person, but like I'm not a morning person, you know what I mean? Like I love being awake in the daytime and in the morning and getting stuff done, but that initial like waking up and getting that day started, yeah, I don't know, it's a lot. Now I'm taking this Laura Mercier, I don't know, translucent powder. I'm gonna take like a dry beauty blender and I'm just gonna tap that in, and I'm literally just putting it like right under my eyes where we have the concealer to just set that concealer so that it doesn't crease throughout the day. Literally let that set for like 30 seconds, and then I just take a fluffy, like big fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna clear that off. You don't really have to bake, you are just setting, so no need to like leave that on for too long. And just like kind of pat it in a little bit to make sure it's like setting in. But yeah, that's that. And then the fun part, okay. So it depends on the day and how I'm feeling. If I want to do like a little bit of highlight, guys, secret, 2-for-1 deal. Not only am I showing you my everyday makeup look, but I'm also sharing my go-to highlight look. How you like that? I love you guys, that's why I'm doing it. So first things first, I go in with the Wet n Wild Beauty Megaglo Hello Halo, and it's a liquid highlighter basically, and I'm just gonna apply that like right on my cheekbone like that, and on the other side like that. Now you're going to take that wet beauty blender that you were using for your under eye, and just take like whatever side and start dabbing right on top of that highlight to press the product in.
So, just like that.
Oh, I know y'all see that. I know you see it. Look at that. Now, if you want to, you can just keep the natural glow and just keep it as is, but if you want that highlight, you need Maybelline Master Chrome highlight. And this is the metallic highlighter, and you're gonna need a highlighter brush and just swirl that in. Oh yeah, don't be afraid, and just brush that across. Just brush a little bit on my brow bone, and like if you want, like a little bit on the tip of your nose, down the bridge of your nose, and a little bit right above the eyebrows, and right there. So you get a little glow and you look away. So these two are my go-to highlight combo, and they work so well together. Okay, so now we're pretty much done with the face. And sometimes I like to go in with a little blush just to like, you know, flush it out and give yourself a little, I'm so cute. So I'm going in with the Too Faced Perfect Flush Blush, and that's what that looks like. And it's like a highlight type of blush, so it gives you like a nice glow on your cheeks. So I'm just swirling my blush brush and smile. The next step is mascara. I like to go big or go I like to go big or go home. Yeah. I like to go big or go home with my lashes. This is how you get some popping lashes. I'm going in with a regular, you could pretty much use like any mascara, but this is like my combo to get like really bold lashes. I'm going in with the Kat Von D. Oh, that's where I got it. Go big or go home. That's what it's called. So I'm gonna go in with that mascara, push upwards, and really fan out your lashes. So you wanna make sure I start at the ends of my lashes and just wiggle and up, wiggle and up, wiggle and up, and then move inwards. And then a little bit on the bottom lashes, not too much. Good with that. Now, you could probably tell like this is probably like enough, like you don't need to go extra, but if you want to be extra like I like to be, I'm gonna go in with the Benefit They're Real.
So I'm just gonna go ahead
this mascara literally gives you like spider lashes. So don't use it by itself. Use it with like another mascara that's like a thick coat and a thick brush. Last step. Oh my god, almost at the end. Also, ignore my brows, and I'm not gonna do my brows right now because I never usually do, and it's quarantine and my brows are hurting. So we're just gonna have to work with it. Here is my favorite lip liner. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Foxy Brown lip liner. I start at my Cupid's bow right here in the middle, and this is really hard to do, like talk and do this at the same time. So I'll just show you. Okay, now I'm going in with this cream lip stain from Sephora, and it's in the number 75, and I love this combo. Love this lip liner and lip stain combo because it just gives like that outline and depth, and then makes your lips look just plump and natural at the same time. If you're feeling extra, you know, like I do, I will go in with like a gloss on top, and of course the gloss that I'm gonna go with is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb.
Just a little, shine. Feeling good, looking better.
You need to set your face if you want your makeup to last all day. And I use the Pixi Makeup Fixing Mist. So I'm just gonna spray that all over. Voila! Guess who's ready to go? And it only took like maybe 5 to 10 minutes in the morning. Obviously it looks and seems longer when you're recording it and watching it in the process, but in the morning, once you get to it, it's super easy and you look super put together and super cute. So go out there, be cute, and have fun.